Hello everybody, this is Andrew Dillon. I'm going to create another Excel spreadsheet called AD Direct to Couriers. Now, this information that is already inputted on the spreadsheet is job descriptions and the status. What I need to do is to finish the sheet off and finding out what are the prices and the charge and the total. So the basic price doesn't require any sum table, so I'll just put in any price in. So their exam paper is that long. I guess it's €67. Courier airline ticket to Bray, €75. Pick up computers at airport. I'll say that is €78. Deliver goods to Clondalkin, €87. Deliver package to Dunleary, €82. Collect faulty PC at Sandyford, so under €50, so €44. Pick up package in Swords, €60. Deliver stationery to Blackrock, €50. Collect documents at Four Courts, 100, and deliver important documents to Sandymount. Now, the additional charge requires an if statement, so watch carefully as I'm going to solve this problem. So how to get the additional charge from the basic price? It starts off with equals if B4 is equals to normal, if again B4 is equals to urgent, C4, now that's the basic price. To multiply that by 20%, or else basic price is multiplied by 50%. And two brackets, and that's the answer right there for the additional charge. Now the total is a simple, easy answer. So how to solve that is equals sum C4 dot two dots E4, and that is our answer. And auto sums and all the others. And then I'm going to make those into a border. Then I'm going to change the colors. Now the font colors. Right now, to finish off the spreadsheet, I want to create a chart, which I want to do a pie chart. So highlight all of them, go to insert, and click on a column chart. And then finish up a spreadsheet, I want to do just a chart tile. Just name it AD direct to you couriers. Status column charts. Right, so that's the end of the spreadsheet, and that's all the information completed with a chart. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this very well. I'll do more spreadsheets when the time is right. So thank you very much. See you soon. Adios.